You can order the rear exterior door handle used in the video on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Turn your engine off and set the parking brake. Open the back door. Start by removing the stopping plug with a small fork. Using a Torx T25 screwdriver, unscrew the screw holding the door handle rear cover without removing it completely. Pull back the door handle rear cover, then remove it. To remove the handle, pull it out and push it toward the rear of the vehicle. Pull the handle all the way out so that it's perpendicular to the door, then remove it from its slot. Put the seal back in place if it was removed during disassembly. Hey, it's Alex from CarParts.com. If you enjoy this video and want to support us, like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, back to work. Tighten the screw holding the door handle rear cover a few threads to secure it in place. You can order the rear exterior door handle used in the video on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Take the door handle. To put it back in place, take a zip tie and make a loop with it. Pinch the zip tie to insert it into the door opening mechanism. Insert it around the upper level of the mechanism and pull it out. Hold it in position. Next, put the door handle back in place, front end first. Fold down the handle, then push it towards the front of the vehicle so that it locks into the mechanism. You can now cut the zip tie with wire cutters. Then remove it. For great content, our best price, and fast shipping, download the CarParts.com app now. Unscrew the door handle retaining screw again. Take the door handle rear cover. Gently pull on the door handle to pull the door handle rear cover back in place. Then retighten the retaining screw. Put the shutter cover back on. Operation complete.
Quality parts, priced right, CarParts.com.